Rom River is the first purpose-built standard gauge diesel locomotive to be built in Britain. She was ordered in March 1929 by the Ravenglass Eskdale Railway to carry quarried stone from Merthwaite to a railhead at Ravenglass. Built by Kerr, Stuart Co of Stoke-on-Trent as works number 4421, she was delivered on the 2nd of December 1929 at a cost of £1,500. She has 6 3 feet 1 inch diameter cast iron spoked wheels with a nominal 7 foot 6 inch wheelbase, and the wheelbase can be adjusted to accommodate any slack in the chain drive. Rom River was originally supplied with a 90 horsepower 6-cylinder McLaren-Benz diesel engine. The gearbox is mounted vertically at the front or leading end of the engine compartment, which means that the radiator is in the cab. Final drive is through chains to the leading axle, and then from the middle axle to the trailing axle. The McLaren-Benz engine was started using the V-twin Jap petrol engine. In addition to the handbrake is a transmission brake, and audible warning was via a bell mounted on the engine compartment. In working order, Rom River weighs 20 tonnes. A new transmission brake was fitted in 1943, and a second McLaren-Benz engine was supplied in September 1949. In 1953 the Merthwaite quarry closed, and Rom River was sold to the National Coal Board in 1955 for use at Wingate Grange Colliery in Durham. During 1959 and 1960, the locomotive was overhauled at Bagnalls of Stafford, which saw the fitting of the new and present 105 horsepower 6-cylinder inline Dorman diesel engine with an electric start. The cab windows were also altered. Wingate Grange Colliery closed in 1964, so Rom River was moved to Deaf Hill Colliery, and then in 1968 was sold to the Rom River Reinforcement Company of Lichfield in Staffordshire. Finally, in 1985, Rom River entered preservation at the Foxfield Railway, where the cab profile was altered to that of 1929, and something of her original livery was restored. In the summer of the year 2000, she made a brief return to Eskdale, and Rom River is currently on display at the Foxfield Railway.